To make simple stretchy headband, I'm gonna need cotton yarn, I'm gonna use gray color, and I'm gonna use a hook. That's all basically you need. You might need some scissors, but it's only just to cut your yarn. Chain of 7. And I'm gonna count the first chain that I'm making here as well in my knitting. Next, I'm gonna be making single crochets in 6 stitches that I have here. First stitch I'm gonna skip, and I'm gonna start with this second stitch, and I'm gonna make single crochet. And I will continue till the end, so I'm gonna have 6 single crochet. I'm gonna turn my work on the other side. I'm gonna make chain of 1, and I'm gonna make 6 single crochet, knitting by the 1/2 of the stitch here. And I'm gonna start with the very first stitch that I have here. I'm gonna turn my work on the other side, make chain of 1, and I'm gonna continue making single crochets in every stitch that I have here, taking it by the half of the stitch. I'm gonna turn my work again, chain of 1, and I'm gonna make my first stitch in a half of the stitch here. That's basically is my pattern, and I'm gonna be knitting it till I have the needed length for my headband. I finished the length that I need for my headband. What I can do, I can just easily attach it now. Attach it these ends and just crochet them together, or just use a needle and to attach them together as well. We can make a nice flower, or we can make a nice bow or other accessory just to attach to this headband. And you can see how stretchy this headband is. So it's gonna be comfortable for the head, and it's stretchy crocheting. I already have a bow that I would like to attach to this headband. It's also made with the same yarn for just edges here. It's gonna be one set. I can just easily put my headband through this space here. I'm gonna use hook, and I'm gonna crochet these parts together. You can also use just a needle to attach them as well. I prefer to use hook. I'm gonna be taking just half of the stitches that I have here, and I'm gonna be making the slip stitches. Now I can just cut the end here. I don't need a long end. That's how it looks, our attachment. I'm gonna make another knot here and cut the yarn. Now I'm just gonna take it inside, and I'm gonna hide these ends and all their things just beside this little thing here. And now, just using this end of the yarn, I'm gonna attach my headband to the bow. Now I'm just gonna hide this end of the yarn inside. I'm usually making a few knots here, just to secure my yarn. And I'm hiding it inside. I don't need this end of the yarn, so I'm just gonna cut it. That's it. So we have our elastic headband and we attached it with our bow. So now we have nice headband with a little bow. Knitting by one side of our stitchers, it makes knitting to be really stretchy and really cute at the same time.